Hi friends, let me show you these new snow activities goggles that I received for reviewing purposes. These are great if you are going to do any kind of outdoor activity in the snow, like snowboarding, skiing, hiking, whatever. You need some eye protection. So these goggles, they have this carrying bag. And let me tell you, these are really nice because they are frameless. Okay. And they are unisex, so they are for men or women. And let me tell you, you can change the lenses on the color that you want. They have a magnetic accessory to fit them. You can use them with the blue finish like this, okay? As you can see, they are frameless. They look nice, okay? Or if you like a more orange finish, you can just get the blue out and you see the magnets here. Just put the orange one. So you can change the lenses really easy and be ready for all your snow activities. If you are going to be skiing, snowboarding, hiking, bobsledding, speed skating, whatever snow activity you want to do, these lenses will help you be more comfortable on the sunlight. Okay, so if you are going to any snow destination, these kind of goggles, lenses are a must for you. You can of course adjust the strap to fit perfectly your head size. And as I showed you already, you can change the lenses with these magnetic accessories. Okay, perfect, let's go. And when you're done using them, you can just put them in the carrying case here, the carrying bag here. See? Perfect. To bring them with you and protect them from any scratches or whatever. You put them in your luggage, in your backpack, whatever you put them away, this carrying bag will protect them from any scratch or whatever they could be having. Okay? Thank you.